In this clip we are going to look at how we can use SOLIDWORKS to check for interference and the clearances between the various parts in our design. Here we have a simple cam toy mechanism to demonstrate these tools. In SOLIDWORKS we can move parts and assemblies to replicate how they would move in real life. This assembly, however, might not move quite as smoothly as in real life as it does here. We can check this by using the interference detection tool, which can be found under the Evaluate tab. So when we click on the interference detection tool, it will automatically select our entire assembly. This is fine if we want to check for interference in the whole assembly, however we just want to check for interference between the top part of our enclosure and this dowel. We can now click on the Calculate button, and we can see that there is a coincident interference between these two parts. This is because the dowel and the hole both have a 5mm diameter. This may cause a problem, because a 5mm dowel would not move freely through a 5mm hole. We can also check for clearance between these two parts using the Clearance Verification tool. Again, remove the assembly and select only the parts we require. The clearance verification also tells us we have a coincidence interference. Now let's increase the size of the hole by 1mm to remove the interference. We can again run the interference detection. And this time, no interference is reported between these two parts. Let's run the clearance verification again. Here we can see it reports a 0.5mm clearance around the dowel, which is good. To prepare this part for manufacture, I would then check the whole assembly for interferences between other parts and correct them if needed.